Today we're talking about 5 delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes that will help you achieve your weight loss goals. Eating a healthy breakfast is the key to jump-starting your metabolism and staying full throughout the day. So let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Our first recipe is a breakfast burrito. Start by scrambling 2 eggs in a pan with a tablespoon of olive oil. Once the eggs are cooked, add in some diced peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Throw in some spinach and top with shredded cheese. Wrap the mixture in a whole wheat tortilla, and you've got a delicious breakfast burrito. Recipe 2. Our second recipe is a yogurt parfait. Start with a cup of fat-free Greek yogurt. Top with some fresh fruit, such as blueberries or strawberries. Then add a handful of granola for a crunchy texture. This parfait is a great way to start your day. Recipe 3. Our third recipe is a breakfast sandwich. Start by toasting 2 slices of whole wheat bread. Spread some peanut butter on 1 slice and top with sliced bananas. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon and you've got a delicious breakfast sandwich. Recipe 4. Our fourth recipe is a breakfast smoothie. Start by blending 1 cup of almond milk with a banana. Add a tablespoon of peanut butter, a handful of spinach, and a scoop of protein powder. Blend until smooth and enjoy. Recipe 5. Our fifth and final recipe is oatmeal. Start by boiling 1 cup of water. Add in 1/2 cup of oats and stir. Once the oats are cooked, add in some honey, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Top with fresh fruit and you've got a delicious breakfast. We hope you enjoyed these 5 delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes. Eating a healthy breakfast is the key to jump-starting your metabolism and staying full throughout the day. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.